Hello everyone, it's Marcus here. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys have been exploring the NFT world right now, since this is one of the hottest topics in the illustration industry. Some of my members and the Patreon group have been creating different projects, and I want to use this opportunity to showcase some of them. Today I have a project I want to recommend to you to check it out, and at the same time you'll be able to understand the NFT world more if you are still not too sure what NFT is about. Hello everyone! Today we have Agata here. She's going to talk about her NFT project. So Agata, say hi.
Hello everyone.
So can you tell us more about your NFT project? I know this is your first project as well.
Yeah, it is. My NFTs consist of a series of free pictures. There are like free illustrations, which are available on voice platforms and NFTs.
Yeah.
And it's a story, actually it's a true story about 4 women who are growing up in a countryside in a small village in Czechoslovakia. And my goal or my aim was to actually depict how it was to be a child, especially a girl or a woman growing up in such conditions. Because especially those 4 girls, they were like living on a farm with a huge land. And for them, they were actually coming from a very poor family. So for them, it meant like to overtake duties of adults to, they were working from dusk till dawn. They were taking care of animals of the land. And also, as parents weren't present for most of the day because they were working to earn some money, they were taking care of each other. And so it was something maybe kind of like Little Women's story.
Little Women, yes. So I know so far there are 3 pieces, right?
Yeah, 3 pieces, yeah.
And then one is basically a girl reading the books. Is there like any specific meaning to it?
Yeah, by these books, I wanted to depict something like a wisdom that maybe on her age, she possessed more wisdom that she needed. And yeah, also you can see that she's sitting in an armchair, which is like uplifted by 4 balloons.
Yes.
Yeah, and these 4 balloons represent the childhood and their innocence that still somehow gives them some sort of escape or maybe makes their life still easier.
That's really, really cool. What about the little girl dress up? I saw one that is really interesting as well. It reminds me of Marie Antoinette for some reasons.
Yeah, the girl, you mean the girl in pink dress?
Yes.
Yeah, the girl, you can maybe see that in all those pictures, the girls wear kind of like oversized clothes.
Yes.
And that was the way how I wanted to show them they were like children and adults at the same time.
Okay. And the last one that you have right now is this basically a girl holding hands with another little girl. So is this basically showing they are helping each other, taking care of each other?
Yeah, that was the way I wanted to show a relationship, like maybe the girl, the older one is like maybe the eldest one, and the second, like the baby, is like the youngest one.
Yeah.
And you can see that on this youngest one that she's like turning around and watching some toys and like, but I'm still a child, I want to play. And the older one, she's holding her hand and like, no, we have some duties to do, we can't play.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Okay, that's cool. So now the important question, how much is it for each NFT? And is it going to be one-off or there's more editions for each piece?
There are 3 editions from each piece. And they are sold for, I think it's $250, like 0.009 Ethereum.
Yep.
Yeah, and I wanted to donate 50% from this sale to charity.
That's pretty awesome. So there's a charity aspect to it. So I know a lot of NFTs have some benefits. So what about yours? Like if people buy your NFT, what kind of things they will get?
For the buyers, I invented such benefit that for each buyer, he will get a possibility, but he doesn't have to like use it, to be illustrated in a small series of 2 illustrations telling his own story.
Okay.
So he will get like another NFT for free.
Oh, that's amazing. So basically you're spending $250 for 2 NFTs.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. And one is actually pretty personalized. All right. So if you're watching this, if you're interested in her project, getting your own personalized NFT, then definitely buy one from her. And the last question I have is, are you planning to add more illustration to this collection?
Yeah, I was planning to create another series of maybe free illustration depicting like another stage of life of these 4 women. So yeah, it is in process.
Okay, that's amazing. And you can only get this NFT collection on Voice, right?
Yeah, it's currently only on Voice, yeah, exclusively.
Okay, so if you have not explored Voice, make sure you go check out that platform because they are using USD as the price. So that if you're not familiar with NFT, with cryptocurrency, that's the best way to get into the NFT world. With that being said, thank you so much, Agata, for doing this with me. And if you're interested in Agata's project, you can actually go to the link. I will leave the link in the description. You can check out the project. Now that you have seen Agata's project, what do you think? If you're interested in knowing more about this project, you can check out the link in the description. And I hope that you will support the artist as well. Make sure you like this video and also subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification so that you know when I will have the next video out. With that being said, I will see you in the next video. Bye.